Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how you can easily mark emails as unimportant in Gmail, so your inbox stays focused on what truly matters. Whether you're trying to declutter your messages or keep track of only high-priority emails, this quick guide will help you stay organized and save time. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you've received the email you want to handle. Once the app is open, scroll through your inbox and locate the specific email you want to mark as unimportant. Next, tap to open that email. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu. Tap on it, and a small list of actions will appear. From that list, select the option that says Mark as Unimportant. As soon as you tap, Gmail will update the status of that email, moving it out of your important category. This means Gmail will stop prioritizing similar messages in your inbox, helping you focus on the emails that actually require your attention. Marking an email as unimportant doesn't delete it or move it to spam. It simply tells Gmail's filters that the message isn't high priority for you. Your email will still be in your inbox or its designated folder, but it will no longer show up in the important section. This feature is especially useful if you receive a lot of automated emails, newsletters, or regular updates that you don't need to check immediately. By marking them as unimportant, you keep your inbox cleaner and make it easier to spot the messages that truly matter. And that's it. 4 simple steps. Open the Gmail app, open the email, tap the 3 dots, then select Mark as Unimportant. A small change that can make a big difference in keeping your inbox organized and stress-free. Take a few minutes to go through your inbox today and mark those low-priority emails. You'll thank yourself later when your inbox feels lighter and more manageable, and you can focus on the messages that deserve your attention most.